This is tutorial number 87, and it covers how to calculate coating and plating within Catia V5. Now, to start off, open up tutorial part number 87, which is located on the DVD. Now, if you're getting a part, say such as this, to be plated or coated with either, say, paint or a type of metal so it's less corrosive, you're going to have to tell them the surface area of the part to get a quote to see how much it's going to cost you to get your part plated. Now, you're able to do this with these measuring tools that we were introduced to before. So to do this, what we're going to have to use is the measure item. So let's click the measure item, and to figure out the surface area, we're going to have to click on the entire part. But before we do that, we're going to have to make a customization here. So let's click Customize, and in the volume here, make sure that it says Area rather than Volume and Description. If you have volume selected, and I'll just show you first, click OK. When you go to do this, it's only going to give you the volume. You're going to have to go and make sure that you have the area selected. So click OK, and now it's going to show you the area. So just make sure in here that when you're clicking the volume, it's going to show the area. So now you have the area of the part, so you can use this value, send it out to someone to get a quote for your part so they can tell you exactly how much it's going to cost to get it plated or coated and whatever it may be. So just remember, when you're using this measure tool, just make sure that you have the area for the volume selected when you're trying to calculate how much coating you're going to need on a part. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the coating and plating calculations within Catia V5.